19 July 2026, the day we will never forget. Because that day we witnessed something truly special. The huge bonding of Navi Mumbai riding community. The way you guys showed up into our seafood store opening literally blew our mind. We thank you everyone who did not just visit our store but turned it into a celebration. Your favorite riding gear destination is now fully open at Navi Mumbai. A huge congratulations to all giveaway winners. आपकी वो एक्साइटमेंट और नए गेयर्स वाली स्माइल देखकर our day was completely made. The brotherhood and the vibes were simply unbeatable. From helmets and riding jackets, gloves, boots, luggages, and motorcycling accessories, this store is packed with everything a rider needs. So let's start with helmets. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or someone who loves long distance touring, you'll have a wide range of helmets to choose from. Most important thing, try the right fit before you buy it. Moving to riding gears, you will find jackets, gloves, riding pants, boots designed for different riding styles. If you're looking something lightweight for your city rides or more protective gears for touring, there are plenty of options to explore. And for all the motorcycle enthusiasts, we have a dedicated range of motorcycle luggage and accessories. Top box, tail bags, saddle bags, tank bag, aux light, intercoms and CarPlay, and plenty of riding essentials all under one roof. The best part is, you can see the product in person, compare different options, try them on, and get the right guidance from the Bikester Global team. So Navi Mumbai riders, your riding gear destination is here. Visit Bikester Global Navi Mumbai, gear up for your next ride. Ride safe. Till then, I'll see you in the next one.